pressure and pain. Above your eyes, below your eyes, nasal congestion. It's miserable being sick all the time. It slows you down and it's embarrassing. And it's been going on for years. You've gone to the doctor, you visit urgent care over and over, and it's always the same thing. I know! We'll try antibiotics and nasal sprays! You suffer from chronic sinus infections, and you're stuck. The good news? There are thousands of people that were just like you, but now their issues are gone. How? A minimally invasive procedure that can be done right in the office of Red River Sinus Center, called balloon sinuplasty. Imagine the relief of not having to deal with chronic sinus infections. Do you suffer from facial pain, pressure, and nasal congestion? Still believe you're just stuck living with chronic sinus infections? Why? Find out if balloon sinuplasty is the solution for you. Set up an appointment today with Red River Sinus Center for sinus relief.